While standard Skuid filters provide powerful functionality, there are times when you want more flexibility. This Skuid technique combines the form component with two separate models to build your own filter set. You will find that in Skuid, you can either utilize components out of the box, or, like a Lego set, you can really craft the user experience that you need from mastering the combination of the three foundational Skuid layers: data, logic, and UI. In this example, the vertical filter set you see on the left is actually a form component that uses model actions to activate and set model conditions for the data on the right. For the main opportunity model, you can add model conditions that you want to filter the data based on, like amount, probability, stage name, and close date. Then, create another model on the same opportunity data to handle the filtering, and you can call this model filters. Next, drag and drop a form component onto the page and add the filtering fields coordinating with the model conditions like amount, probability, stage name, and close date. Now, you have a form that users can use to filter the data. The next step is to connect the data entered into that form with the model conditions. You will achieve that by going to the filters model and adding model actions for each of the filters. For each filter, use the branch action to deactivate the condition, aka resetting that filter if users enter an empty value. If users enter a value to filter, then use the activate and set filter condition action and query model action to apply that filter. Repeat this process for the rest of your filters. I would encourage you to follow along with this video and use a sample page that we provided in GitHub to explore this technique on your own. To grab the sample page, click the XML file, click Raw, and select the entire file and copy the XML. Then, in your page list, create a new page with this XML. And that's our Skuid tip for this week. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.